Hello everyone, it's a pleasure. Welcome to share a research proposal. My name is Junson Cepana Paikan.
And I am Anhao Dion Ibrahim.
And I'm Janet Ibay.
And I am Basero Jedrix B.
And I am Hiner Bernardino.
This is Kusilata Green S.
And I am Pecaro Cardangelo.
We are here to present our research study entitled Rainfall Water Harvest Conservation with Gravity Filtration through Atmega 2560 for the use of urban farming. This study aims to combine two crucial elements, efficient water harvesting and an intelligent filtration system. The Atmega 2560 microcontroller automates and controls the filtration process, ensuring that the harvested rainwater is purified and suitable for use in urban agriculture. I'd like to express my gratitude for the opportunity to share our work with you all.
And now I'm going to take this moment to present to you our background of the study. I am Jedrix B. Basero, and I am here to discuss said matters. To begin, let's look at the background of the study. Cities are dealing with more environmental issues as they expand, particularly areas of climate change, water scarcity, and sustainable food production. Growing food inside the city limits or urban farming has become a viable way to deal with these problems. As cities expand, they face growing environmental challenges such as climate change, water scarcity, and the need for sustainable food production. Urban farming has become a viable solution to address the issues enabling cities to produce food locally, reducing the carbon footprint of transportation and enhancing food security. It also offers opportunities to alleviate water usage and improve green spaces, helping cities to become more resilient to climate change. By incorporating urban farming, cities can tackle environmental challenges while building sustainable and self-sufficient urban ecosystem. And Mr. Brain will discuss our problem statement.
Brain S. Gusilatar, despite po existing studies, there are still gaps into understanding as a cities confront of challenge like water scarcity and needs for sustainable food production. Urban farming and offer potential solution. However, irrigation often release an unsustainable water source. Rainwater harvest provides to eco-friendly alternative, but it is required to filtration. For agriculture use, gravity-based filtration offers to low energy solution and automation with system like Atmega 2560 microcontroller can optimize the process.
So once again, I am Pecaro. This topic is critical because rainwater harvesting offers a sustainable water source for urban farming, reducing dependence on municipal supplies and supporting eco-friendly practice. The Atmega microcontroller enables efficient automation and monitoring of water distribution, while gravity filtration reduces cost makes the system scalable for small urban farms. This approach helps mitigate urban flooding, enhance food security by providing water during dry spells, and improve crop health by delivering clean, filtered water, contributing to both environmental and health benefits.
Hi, my name is Hiner Bernardino, and I will discuss the main objective of our study. First, hardware and software testing. Second, system integration testing. Third, functional test cases, performance, and security testing. This objective guided the research design and ensured the focus remain aligned with the problem statement. The objective is to design, develop, and implement a sustainable rainwater harvesting system with gravity filtering, controlled and monitored by Atmega 2560 to deliver clean water per month for urban farming, lowering the water cost by 50% and boosting crop output by 20% during the next 12 months. Mr. Anhao discussed the scope and limitation.
The scope and limitation. The scope and limitation focuses on the development and testing of a rainwater harvesting and conservation system for a small to medium scale urban farming, emphasizing gravity filtration, automation via an Atmega 2560 microcontroller, and energy efficiency, while limitations such as scalability, rainfall dependency, sensor degradation, external power and reliance, and high setup costs are acknowledged. They are not the primary focus of the scope and are not directly explored. Therefore, the mentioned topic is non-included or explored in the study.
Once again, I'm Jedrix Bibasero, and I'm here now to discuss the chapter 2 of our research. This chapter reviews related literature and studies on rainwater harvesting, or RWH, gravity, filtration, and automation in urban agriculture, both from foreign and local sources. Key studies highlighted the effectiveness of gravity filtration systems in improving rainwater quality for irrigation, reducing water wastage, and increasing crop yields in urban farming. Various studies, including those from Sri Suk and others on 2021 and Kumar 2022, emphasized the use of microcontrollers like Arduino Mega 2560 to automate irrigation systems, enhancing water use efficiency and scalability. Local studies such as those by Gonzalez and Luna and Carrion on 2021 focused on integrating these systems in the Philippine cities, showcasing their potential to improve water management and sustainability in urban agriculture.
For quick design, all the concepts for that will be done in the system and produced after the requirements have been gathered. Since quick designing just covers the most crucial elements and concepts, it can be a huge aid in producing a prototype.
Hello guys, once again, I'm Junson Sipana Paigan. Let's proceed to the topic about building prototype. The researchers focuses on a system that harvests rainwater, filters it using gravity, and then utilizes the filtered water for urban farming. The Atmega 2560 microcontroller plays a crucial role in monitoring and controlling various aspects of the system. Building a prototype for rainfall water harvest conservation with gravity filtration and Atmega 2560 for urban farming. Also, we have PCB layout. The printed circuit board PCB used in this project is 4 inches by 5 inches in size. The figure below is the PCB layout unseen in the project. Schematic diagram. The schematic diagram used in this project that shows the connection of each component. Also, we have a schematic diagram. The schematic diagram used in this project that shows the connection of each component. The figure below is the schematic diagram of the device. We also have flowchart. The flowchart below shows the flow of the system. First, the system turns on and the device will start, and the components such as the AC and DC source, gravity filtration will energize and connected. Atmega 2560, energize will be prepared for functioning until the last spray of water sprinklers. And also, we have a pictorial diagram. A pictorial diagram is a type of electronic diagram that uses pictures to show the physical appearance of electronics components and their connections. They can be highly detailed drawing or photos with labels. Pictorial diagrams are useful for people who are unfamiliar with standard symbols or who wants a visual representation. They can be especially helpful for those who new to electronics design or work. However, they may not be as effective as schematic diagrams for detailing complex. In conclusion, this study demonstrates the effectiveness of integrating rainfall water harvesting, gravity filtration, and Arduino-based automation and optimizing water use for urban farming. The finding shows that these technologies can significantly reduce dependence on municipal water systems, enhance sustainability, and improve the efficiency of urban agriculture as cities continue to grow and face the increasing environmental challenges. Such system offer a promising solution to ensure food security and conserving vital resources. Future research should focus on further refining these technologies, exploring scalability, and assessing their long-term impact on urban farming practices worldwide. That's all. Thank you, guys.